Picasso had a saying, he said, good artists copy, great artists steal.
Let me tell you, the fastest way to grow your local business and get quality leads is to steal your competitors' traffic directly from their website. Now, as Picasso said, good artists copy, but great artists steal. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video, so make sure you watch it until the end. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and for over a decade, we've been helping local businesses get more leads, more customers, and ultimately make more money. Now, our videos reveal tips for local businesses to boost their online presence, and they also help agencies and freelancers streamline their operations to get some amazing results for their clients. So if you find our content useful, remember to like it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss out on a video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is figure out who our main competitor is that's ranking for the keyword we want to rank for. So let's say we're a builder in London. Let's type builder in London into Google, and we're going to open up the top ranking website because that's our main competitor. Next, we're going to plug that website's URL into a tool called Search Atlas, then select domain and then set your country. So in our case, we're going to put in United Kingdom. Now, as we can see, they've got 233 keywords. So let's click on keywords. What we're going to do here is steal their traffic. We'll go through their entire list of keywords that are pulling in traffic, and we're going to focus on the most searched ones. So we'll sort all the keywords by monthly search volume and the ranking position. Now we can see which keywords are ranking in position number 1 and if they're getting a substantial amount of search volume per month. You can see here it's given us ideas of what we can target. For example, we have dormer windows, builders company, and London builders. As you can see, 260 people a month are searching for London builders company. Now these keywords all have commercial intent, meaning people are actively looking for a local builder. And then you've got flooring contractors, which is ranking in position 4 with 110 people a month searching for it. So let's focus on this keyword and do a quick search for flooring contractors London. As you'll see, loads of websites showing up, and the one we're analysing are also ranking on the first page of Google. This shows us there's demand and other companies are making dedicated websites and service pages around this service. So now what we want to do is steal all of this traffic. And one way to do this is by making a brand new niche website solely focusing on this service. So head over to GoDaddy and type in the main keyword, flooring contractor London. You'll see that sadly, flooringcontractorslondon.co.uk is a premium domain for sale at £1,000. Now, unless you're willing to buy it, that might not be the best option. So what we're going to do is find a variation. For example, we will search for London flooring contractors, and we still have all the important keywords in there. And look, londonflooringcontractors.co.uk is available, and you can buy it for just a penny. It's a simple variation, but you're still getting all the keywords in the domain for a fraction of the price. So next, we're going to design a really professional looking website specifically targeting the keyword London flooring contractors. Now that we've got the keyword we want to target, the next step is to look at all the flooring related pages that the competitor's website is ranking for. First, we're going to click on advanced filters, type in flooring and then hit apply. Now you can see that this page is ranking for flooring related keywords. Next, we're going to click on organic keywords and see all of the flooring keywords this page is targeting and ranking for. After seeing this data, we now know the main keywords we need to focus on, like flooring contractors London, flooring installation London, and other variations. Now we can create a separate page for flooring installation London since it gets a decent amount of search traffic. Similarly, we can create a page for flooring suppliers London because we know it also has a good amount of monthly searches. By building out content and dedicated pages for these various keywords, we'll be able to target all the relevant search terms. This strategy is going to help us outrank competitors on Google by creating a fully optimized flooring website. Next, we want to rank in the map pack for the keyword flooring contractors London. Now to do that, our goal is to make sure we're the best reviewed company in the London area for flooring contractors. For example, in the map pack, you can see listings like Commercial Flooring London and London Flooring Fitters, and also London Commercial Flooring, along with their reviews. So we want our business listing to show up here. Looking at the competition, one company has 18 reviews, another has 70. So to rank here, we only need around 20 5-star reviews. So we'll focus on optimizing our Google business profile and get reviews to make sure we're one of the best reviewed companies in the map pack for flooring contractors in London. Once your Google business profile has been live for a few months, it will start gathering all the search data that you can use to optimize your business listings and website. This is our client's Google business listing that we manage, and here you can see how many searches triggered their business listing. So for our client, 6,171 searches were triggered whenever someone typed in targeting these keywords. And when we click on the See More button, it will show us all the keywords triggering the listing. With this information, you can identify relevant keywords which are triggering the listings, and you can then integrate these keywords into your Google business listing, website, and business description. Now you can create more pages for your websites targeting these terms and optimizing your business profile. By continuously using this data, you can make sure your business ranks higher in the map pack and shows up for more keywords, leading to better visibility and more potential clients. Now the next step is to go back to Search Atlas and click on backlinks. Here we'll focus on the referring domains. While a website may have thousands of backlinks, what really matters is the actual number of unique referring websites. So our competitor's website has 65,000 backlinks, but only 136 referring domains. And we're going to focus on those 136 sites. Now we'll analyze these referring domains to see where our competitor is listed. For instance, you can see they're listed on business directories like London Review. The goal is to get listed on these same websites. To do that, we'll reach out to them and work on getting our business listed. We can also export this entire list of directories into a CSV file and systematically go through each website. This way you can steal your competitor's entire backlinking strategy and start ranking higher and getting more traffic onto your website. Okay, so let me summarize everything you've heard here. We're going to start by identifying a key competitor and analyzing their keywords using Search Atlas. Then we're going to build a site around those high traffic keywords, focusing on creating relevant pages targeting different variations of the main keywords. Next, it's time to optimize your Google business profile to ensure you're the best reviewed company in the area. Once your listing has gathered data, use it to identify additional keywords to enhance your website and listing. And finally, examine the competitor's backlink profile, focusing on unique referring domains and systematically get your business listed on those sites. And there you have it. Thank you for watching until the end. I do hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then I've left a link in the description that's going to help you solve that problem in just under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please remember to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to every comment we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.